Difference between parsley and coriander, cilantro? A lot of falafel recipe calls for both chopped coriander, cilantro and parsley. Online images look the same to me. Is there a difference between the two? Would omission of one drastically change the flavor?
Coriander leaf, cilantro looks very similar to flat leaf parsley. When I have both at the house, I sometimes resort to smelling them to know which is which. Cilantro is very strong smelling, and you'd definitely change the flavor of the dish if you left it out. Flat leaf parsley is significantly more subtle and has a much milder flavor and scent. It is not flavorless, and in a recipe that calls for a lot of it, you'd really be missing something by leaving it out. When you've got a recipe that calls for both parsley and cilantro, you're definitely going to be more able to smell the cilantro more than parsley, but they'll both contribute different notes. If you have to leave one out, leave out the parsley, but don't try to make up the volume with more cilantro, as you may wind up overpowering your dish. Just leave the parsley out and proceed as normal. Do not use curly leaf parsley in anything, it is tough and virtually flavorless. It is only a garnish and not worth wasting your time on. See link. 1. Cilantro. The leaf on the left is coriander. It's a slightly lighter green, and has rounder leaves. Botanical Classification. Coriandrum sativum is an annual herb in the family Apiaceae. Uses all parts, leaves, roots, stems and seeds are used in cooking either as a garnish, a key ingredient, or as a powder. Regions used: found native to southern Europe, North Africa and southwestern Asia. Common in Middle Eastern, European and American cooking. Flavor: seeds when crushed have a warm, nutty, spicy flavor. The leaves have been described to have soapy taste. Parsley. Parsley on the right is a darker green and has more pointy, sharper leaves. Botanical Classification. Petroslinum crispum is a biennial herb from the family Apiaceae. Uses only the leaves are used, chopped and sprinkled as a garnish. Also as part of a bouquet garni, bundle of herbs, to flavor soups and stocks. Regions used: found use for its leaf in similar way to coriander but has a milder flavor. Flavor: the leaves when chopped have a mild flavor.